is a perfect dish for brunch or a light lunch. Bouillabaisse, a traditional fish soup that hails from the Mediterranean coast. Bouillabaisse is made with a variety of fish, along with vegetables and herbs like fennel and saffron. Specialties by region. One of the things that makes French cuisine so fascinating is the way that each region has its own unique specialties and flavors. Here are just a few examples. Provence, this region in the south of France is famous for its ratatouille, as well as dishes like bouillabaisse and salade niçoise. Alsace, located in the northeast of France, Alsace is known for its hearty stews and sausages, as well as its famous tarte flambée, a type of thin crust pizza. Brittany, the coastal region of Brittany is famous for its seafood dishes, including oysters, mussels, and lobster, as well as its savory crepes, known as galettes. Lyon, the gastronomic capital of France, Lyon is known for its rich, meaty dishes, including the famous Lyonnaise sausage, as well as for its cheese, particularly the pungent blue cheese known as Roquefort. Bordeaux, this wine-producing region is also famous for its cuisine, which includes dishes like duck confit, foie gras, and steak frite. Conclusion. French cuisine is a true delight for the senses, with its rich flavors, elegant presentation, and deep cultural roots. Whether you're savoring a classic dish like coq au vin or trying a regional specialty like tarte flambée, you're sure to be transported by the magic of French cooking. Whether you're savoring a classic dish like coq au vin or trying a regional specialty like tarte flambée, you're sure to be transported by the magic of French cooking. So next time you're looking for a culinary adventure, consider taking it aside from the classic French dishes and regional specialties. French cuisine also boasts a variety of desserts and pastries that are not to be missed. Here are a few examples. Crème brûlée. This classic dessert features a rich custard base that is topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. The contrast between the smooth custard and the crackling sugar is simply divine. Macarons. These delicate little cookies are made with almond flour and filled with a variety of flavored fillings, such as raspberry, chocolate, or pistachio. Tarte tatin. This upside-down apple tart is a true French classic, with tender apples and a caramelized sugar topping baked into a buttery crust. Profiteroles. These cream-filled pastry puffs are often served with a rich chocolate sauce, making for a truly decadent dessert. Madeleines. These small, shell-shaped cakes are light and buttery, with a delicate texture that makes them perfect for dipping in tea or coffee. Overall, French cuisine is a celebration of the senses, with a deep appreciation for quality ingredients, expert techniques, and a rich culinary history. Whether you're enjoying a classic dish or a modern interpretation, you're sure to be enchanted by the magic of French cooking. If by here you mean France, then traditional French cuisine is deeply rooted in history and culture, and is often associated with rustic, hearty dishes that make use of simple, high-quality ingredients.